Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool gaming keyboard, or just a general keyboard, if you will. And it was sent over by a company called EWEADN. I may probably mispronounce that, but it's going to come with a user manual here, and then it's going to come with a USB to USB-C cable. This is how you're going to plug in the keyboard. This is not a wireless, batteryless, rechargeable keyboard. It does need to be plugged in, so it comes with a nice little cable here. But this is the V102 model, and it's really, really cool looking. So I have like the little mint green, if you will. Comes in a lot of different colors, but why I like this is, first off, you're gonna notice it has all these little bubble keys, and then it has like this little kind of a coating over the top of it that kind of is indented so it fits perfectly in your fingers. Now, as far as the keys themselves, ultra quiet. I mean, you're not gonna hear any of that clicking or anything like that, which is really, really nice. Now, it does also light up, so that's kind of why the gaming aspect, if you will. It has 7 different RGB colors in there, and it has a ton of different effects. You're gonna control that all with the little dial here in the corner. You can pick a static color, you can go through the motions. It's all up to you on what you want, what kind of look you want, or if you just don't want them on, it's up to you as far as how you want to utilize it. Now, as far as comfort, you can have it flat, or you can have it in 2 different angles. So you'll notice the little kickstands on the back. You can go ahead and have it at an 8% angle, but there is a little mini one in here that you can activate that one instead, and that'll put it at a 6% angle. That's actually the one I personally like, because I don't like my keyboards too angled, so it's really nice to have that option of having the 2. But like I said, my big favorite feature is how quiet the keys are, and then this liquid or foundation liquid like kind of look to them, where you can see they have a little clear part at the tip. But yeah, very cool aspect of this keyboard. If you are in the market and you're looking for a really nice keyboard for your computer, you want a pop of color that's super quiet, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.